Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, from the Drain Plug Mafia channel, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the dock, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach. So our crew's making their approach. Cap, you're going to have to get on the power here to get this one into the dock. And man, they're drifting right into this boat. So Cap's going to make a little bit of the turn and try and get the power on, but I think he's a little bit too late. And he's going to be in trouble here because I don't know how he's going to get back out of this one without hitting the boat or running this thing up on the ramp at this point. And Cap is kind of paused. You're going to have to give this some power and just kind of muscle back into that wind. Wifey to the rescue. Going to give him the push off of the other boat. And he's going to have to power this one out. Actually, he probably could power that stern straight over to the dock, but no, he's going to make the turn on this. Cap, you're really going to have to get on that throttle now, because I think you are. He's going to go into that boat. Oh, they're just going to miss it. So Wifey's going to reset up in the bow. Cap's going to try this one more time. And is he going to pick another dock, I guess? Because he looks like he's kind of given up on that one. Obviously, the easiest way is to let the wind and current do the work for you, but I love watching these guys try and power in on these docks. It's great. So Cap's going to make the Boynton U-turn and try this again. Ooh, and I don't know if you heard that. Frustration is setting in. So here we go. Cap making his second attempt on an approach on the dock. It looks like Wifey's switching lines, so Cap may have gotten the idea. Yes, let's move to the other side and try and land it over there. I mean, this is one of the biggest pieces of advice I could give to anybody if you're approaching a dock. Before you even have your fenders and lines on the ready, but figure out which way the wind and current's moving before you get there, and that way you can just set the fenders up right the first time. And sometimes it's even worth the wait. If the dock's not open on the side you want to be on, if it's a really nasty day, sometimes just wait for that dock. Other than that, you're going to have that battle on your hands. And Cap looks like he's going to be pretty good here. Wifey's going for the line grab. Goes for the toss. I think she got it hooked. Yep, she's going to pull him in. And our guy should be good to go from here. What is he doing, though? He's got it in reverse, and he's pulling the stern off the dock for some reason. I'm not sure why. So Wifey has him hooked in the front. And now Cap's turning the wrong way and forward as well. And look out. We're going to hit the pole. A little whiskey throttle action, and what I thought was done is not quite finished. I mean, never know what to expect at the ramp. There you go, Cap. Put it in neutral, grab a line, and walk this thing up. And here comes our captain, gonna pull off the solo load. And this is an acquired skill. It's not easy to load the boat by yourself. Especially on a day like today, where we've already seen that wind and current is just ripping from right to left across our screen. So he's undoing the stern line. Tosses the stern line, but now things gotta move quick. Because here we go. Wind and current's caught the boat, stern's kicking out, and he's going to hit the boat behind him. So it looks like Cap's not even getting on the boat. It looks like he's going to try and walk it on, but once again, watch out! Stern of the boat, going to hit the one next to you! And he just stops it. I can't tell if it quite hit or not, but man, that was close, but he's not done yet. He's got this thing all kinds of messed up over here. one of the challenges of trying to solo walk this on. I still prefer the power on method if you're loading by yourself, just a little more control. But, I mean, he's doing it solo. I'm not going to lie, the crew next to him on the right, they've been here for quite some time, trying to get theirs on as well. And you can tell he's at least got the assist, somebody laying on the dock with the legs, trying to keep the boat centered. And Alright, so this one's interesting. We've got Florida Wildlife doing something with the boat that's on the dock, but this guy that just trailered down is the vessel that's coming in. That's his trailer. I mean, it's a busy afternoon. You can tell there's a line. But man, that wind, you can hear it. It's ripping still. Careful, bro. He's going to hit. Oh. And Wifey from the other vessel comes over with the quick save. But kicking the stern out like that's going to make it interesting as he's trying to squeeze into a tight spot. Cat brake checks it. And man, that's going to line up pretty good. Hit the power, bro. Get that on. And that one turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I mean, when I saw him initially trying to do that, I thought for sure things were going to get a little hairy right here. But Wifey with the quick move pushes him off. Even with the stern kicked out like that, he was somehow able to get the vessel back around. And they're working on powering it on. And Wifey's scrambling here. I don't know if she's getting paperwork or if FWC wants to see fish or what the deal is. But these are always interesting days here at Boynton when it gets this crazy and this busy. I mean, you can see the line just backed up, waiting for people to get pulled out. And, man, all right, let's see if these guys, they've got the boat on. Can they get it out? And Cap's back at the helm. Are we not on enough? He's trying to get it pushed over a little bit. It's just a little bit awkward, a little bit crooked. But what he's also doing with the power on this boat is he's walking the boat behind them. I mean, that boat's having difficulty hanging onto the dock even because of the propulsion. But let's see how they do as they try and pull out. They seem to be in no rush, though, which is just strange. I mean, our people are in the truck. They should be good to go. It's like Cap's trying to give him the go-ahead. Come on, bros. This line is just backing up. And here we go. The slow roll on the pullout. But they're good to go, and they're going to get out of here, and we're getting out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Drain Plug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.